Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and here on my videos, I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this lovely, fast-absorbing, non-greasy body oil. I really think you're going to like this formula. It's very easy to put together. There's absolutely no heating required, and it has a beautiful red color to it. So let me go ahead and walk you through the step-by-step process on how I make it. To start out with, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some grapeseed oil. I chose this particular carrier oil because it's lightweight, it absorbs quickly into the skin, and it will not clog the pores. Now, as far as benefits that it provides the skin, it helps to moisturize it, it protects the skin from environmental damage, and it's a great anti-aging oil. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some sunflower oil. This is another fast-absorbing oil that will not clog the pores. It's great for improving skin texture as well as moisturizing the skin. The third oil that I'm using in this formula is meadow foam seed oil. This is great for hydrating and nourishing the skin, as well as protecting it from UV rays. But if you have oily or acne-prone skin, this is going to help to reduce and soothe inflammation. To cut down on any of the residual greasiness from the oils that I'm using in this formula, I'm now going to go ahead and weigh out some EcoSil. This is a naturally derived ingredient. It comes from olive oil. It's what's known as an ester, and it's a great alternative to silicone. I really like the feel that EcoSil leaves behind on the skin. This is something that is good for all skin types. It will help to give the skin the much needed moisturization that it needs, but it also is a great anti-aging ingredient. It will help to really give the skin a nice, healthy looking glow. This next ingredient really is the star of this formula, and this ingredient is beetroot infused oil. Now, this will not stain your skin. It is a fast absorbing oil, and it is suitable for all skin types. What it will do for the skin is it will help to moisturize and hydrate it. It's great for reducing the appearance of any hyperpigmentation. It will help to even out the skin tone. And it's something that is really good for anti-aging as well. Now, if you have any irritation or redness present on the skin, this is also good for calming that. If you're wondering where you can find this particular oil, I will go ahead and leave some links down below this video. I wanted to go ahead and let you know that this particular oil does have a very earthy and sweet smell to it. I personally don't find it very strong, and I also don't feel like it overpowers in this particular formula. Because vitamin E is so important for providing hydration, but also helping to reduce any signs of aging, I'm going to go ahead and add this to this particular formula. I also find that when I use vitamin E, it helps to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients that I'm using. I'm now going to go ahead and add some frankincense essential oil. This will add a nice scent to our body oil. It also is good for hydrating and relieving any itchiness on the skin, as well as helping to control any bacteria buildup. This is something that is good for all skin types, even sensitive ones. After adding the essential oil, I'm now going to stir this really well. I want to make sure that I'm evenly incorporating all of the ingredients throughout this body oil, and that will leave me with a very stable but yet very effective finished product. Okay, so now that I'm done with the stirring, I'm just going to go ahead and pour everything into my spray bottle here. This particular formula makes approximately 8 ounces of product, and this is something that can be used as often as you would like. And like I said earlier, it is non-greasy, it will not stain the skin, and it will leave the skin feeling very soft and moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little of this oil to my arm. And then once I've applied it, I'm just going to go ahead and rub it in. And as you can see here, it does absorb really quickly. It does not leave a greasy residue, and there is absolutely no color left on my skin. Here are some substitutions that I would recommend for making this body oil. For the grapeseed oil, you could use safflower oil instead. For the meadow foam oil, another good oil that I think is also fast absorbing is going to be hazelnut oil. When it comes to the EcoSil, you can swap it out with Natrasil. For the frankincense essential oil, you can use either geranium, lavender, or cedar essential oil. When it comes to the beetroot infused oil, in this formula, unfortunately, there is no substitute. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.